here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. If you are new, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. For today's video, I am continuing with the whole Descendants character theme look. This time I'm going based off the colors for the character Audrey. So her character wasn't that big in the first two films. It does seem to be a big character in the third film, and this time she does seem to be the villain in this film. So I kind of wanted to play off her colors. And if you guys want to see what I use for this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to use a Morphe 433 brush and go into the Naked Cherry palette and pick up the color A Mixture of Juicy and Feels. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Bling and Feels on my outer corner, blending that halfway through my lid. Using a Morphe M166, I'm going to pick up Single from the James Charles palette and put that into my inner corner, blending that towards the middle of my lid. Going into the James Charles palette again, I'm going to pick up Artistry with my finger and just lightly dab that on everything that I put on my lid, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. I'm going to go in with my NYX Black Liquid Liner and do a small wing, but I'm going to be doing that off camera and then just putting on my lashes on before I do my foundation. Alright, my lashes and eyeliner are all done, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation and concealer. my blush and contour and add a pop of pink highlight. Using the little brush that comes in the Naked palette, I'm just going to pick up Juicy and Feels and put that on my lower lash line. For my lip, I'm going to go in with Kylie Cosmetics Kristen and do what I've been doing lately and kind of just put it slightly on my lip and then dab that to kind of blend it out with my finger. Guys, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ow, that's still attached. Ugh, I hate baby hairs. It's not. I'm just noticing. I don't even know what it is. I'm doing a lip base. Wow, there's like a lint in my lash, and I can see it. I think that's